Hey guys, it's Kinley. Ow, why did I just get a headache? Okay, it's gone. Okay, whatever. So, this is like kind of part 2 of taking care of my ducks and chickens. So this is my duck Benji. And if you didn't watch the part 1, I'll introduce everybody. So this is my duck Benji. Did you guys hear that? Let me see that one. Is that a big one? Ooh, that's green. Okay, Benji, I'm gonna let you go for just a minute, okay? Oh, my foot hurts so bad because he just uploaded another video, so just got done. So, okay, Savage. Okay, the gray one, Fuzzy, Savage, Coco. Oh, Benji, that poop is starting to reek. That's partly my duck, but that's my sister's, Jerry. Okay, when she does that, I have to come over here and rub her. And then that's Jerry. He's going to be a mallard duck. So, and the Benji's just a regular duck. Multi, my... Yeah, we know. Yeah, we know, okay? We know. We know. We know what you're saying, okay? Shh. Jerry, don't. Be calm. Fuzzy, my chicken. Multi, we were talking about Multi. So, Multi's that one right. That's all you gotta do to make her stop. Jerry, can you go somewhere else? Because I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Jerry. Yeah, here. Yeah, you can see he's starting to turn green on his head. Benji just white. Snazzy white. Ah! She's eating my pop socket. What? You like it? Okay, well, you stay calm, okay? So, Multi. My neighbor, I call it Zebra because it looks more like a zebra instead of Multi. But my neighbor named it Multi. So we decided she can have that chicken. That can only be her chicken. And then that's Savage, Coco. Where's Big Joe? We have like roosters or something. What the heck was that? Let me just make sure that wasn't that. Oh, yep, that was. Okay. So, do we have any roosters? I feel like that's a rooster. Right there. Because none of them have that much, and then that one has more butt feathers. Oh, you look like a rooster for sure. Oh, can I pluck those feathers off of you? But if you know, yeah, she's my pet. She just stands next to me. You're looking up at me, huh? So, I'll give you guys, since this is taking care of my ducks and chickens, these pellets is their regular food that we feed them. So, it's kind of smells good, actually, though. It smells like sweet and like vinegary, kind of. Wait, why did I say vinegary? I didn't mean vinegary. I meant like something else. And then right here is corn stuff. Yeah. So this we only get a couple bags of, like one bag, and then that we get like 2 bags. This is their pellet stuff in here. So, well, we basically feed. Oh, look, Rhode Island Red Chicken, and we have the Rhode Island Red Chicken. You know what I want to do? I want to set this camera just right here and see what they would do without me here. Okay, keep it. I'm going to go out for just a minute, see what they'll do. Because I really want to have some security. Here go my leg. Okay, how was that, guys? Did they do good? Well, that's just the worst spot to put it. There's a huge glare right here. Oh, who keeps splattering me? Benji, is that you? Jerry, was that you? Who was that? Who just pooed? Who cares, right? It's fine. I don't want to go outside though. Guess I'll stay in here. Do you guys, oh, why is there such a big glare? I'm sorry, guys. Just so bright out. Look how bright it is. So bright. Yeah, they have a puddle of water right there because they're dumb and stupid. That's what they do. And that's what I meant in my part 1, taking care of my ducks and chicken things. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. They dig holes. Because they spill their water everywhere and they do that. I can hear you, Benjamin. And yes, I know that is her. Oh, look at little Savage. Oh. Wait, that's the wrong way, right? Was I really filming upside down the whole time? Okay, Savage is about to take off. Watch this. Watch that. He's here, he or she. He's gonna find a good spot. Take off.